Yeah, what's up guys? So it's currently around 9 p.m. and I decided to record an update on my portfolio website, so let's quickly go over what I've done. This is the current state of the landing page. Added this section here. It won't stay for long because I have another idea for it, but yeah. So next thing is sign up. I think it works. It should work at least. And yeah, sign in with GitHub. Okay, so now we have a dashboard, and here is what I've added. So if you're here, I'm using the Supabase database, already created all the tables that we are going to be using, and here are the profiles. And yeah, so here is the roles. Where is it? User roles. Yeah, okay, so here, as you can see, I am an admin, but if I change this to client, then the dashboard here changes, so it's role based, and that's one of the things. The next thing is here, when I am an admin, I have a website CMS, and I've added the ability to view our projects, and I can edit them and delete, but I won't do that right now because these are the projects that I will be displaying on the page. And here you can create a new project, title, short description, full description, link to the project, GitHub link, thumbnail link, and you can select the stack. And this is actually the list of all the skills that I've added here. So here I can show you how to add a skill. So the category adding is still not available because I don't want to work on it right now, but yeah, let's create an example skill. Experience, I don't know, 69 months, and icon URL, I don't know. So we copy the image address and just paste it here, and as you can see, now we have an example skill with 69 months of experience. And now I can I don't know, add a new project and select the stack, and here it should be, yeah, you can add an example skill. So and we can also delete the skills. So if I click delete, then it's gone. So today I wanted to focus on the education page because it doesn't exist right now, and the actual logic is really similar to this one, so the projects management. So yeah, here is a time lapse of me creating this page. Okay, so we added the camera input, and now for actually adding the display here. Okay, so I think I made it work just for now, and as you can see, I tried to test if it works, and it does. Here is just some boilerplate text, so I can see that it actually maps the element. Oh, that shouldn't happen. Okay. Yeah, wait. Reload. Okay, so I think I need to work on the clearing of the inputs here after I click the create button, but anything else, yeah, icons are probably going to change, and let's see here, something, and the chips from here, as you can see, those ones are the stack right here, and I will just set it to a string and then separated by a comma and a space, and here just split it by with this as a parameter, and just yeah, map this whole shit. So yeah, fucking simple. I don't know what else. Yeah, it's just a pain in the ass to create this project, but I know that it will pay off eventually, so just yeah, gotta do it. So yeah, okay, so here is the final version. As you can see, we have like the styles we can delete and edit. Job frontend developer, code internship devapo, and as you can see, the data checks out. We can also delete, so maybe delete this one. Okay, and as you can see, after reload it still does not appear, so it was deleted. And now let's add it back. So I will go to here because it's still statically typed. Devapo, React Jest and Git. Okay, 1 month. Still gotta change the date selection because of the time zone issue, but I will type 05, but it will change to 04, and yeah, we gotta fix it later. And after we hit create, here it is. And yeah, maybe we can also, instead of doing that, we can now go like this, const. Okay, I think I can make this an async. No, I don't think so, because it's rendered on the landing page. Oh no, okay, I can make this server type, sorry, server side rendered get education, and yeah, I think this should work. If no education, return null. Okay, why is it? Okay, let's just do the explanation marks. Okay, and the stack, I don't give a shit about the typings right now. Gotta import the schema from the database because I updated some stuff, but yeah, I think if we go now here, we should have 5 elements. Oh, and also in the block we should be doing stack dot split, and here the weird thing, and now this is a string and this is a number because this shit doesn't know that. And yeah, it should work. Let's see. Yeah, we have fucked up 4 elements, but it works. I don't know. Wait, why is it like that? Okay, maybe because of the grid thing. And the shit page. Okay, I don't give a fuck right now. Let's just commit this and implement. Oh, actually, I will just delete one of those. I think this will do the trick, but which one do I want to delete? Yeah, the profession exam. Let's delete this one. Okay, and now it should work here. Yep, works fucking fantastic. And yeah, commit and implement. What did we implement? Education CMS functionality. Oh, actually 1L, I think. And we also gotta mark this as done. Education CMS done. Okay, that's all. No. Okay, so hope to see you in the next one. I don't know when I will release the next one. I still haven't recorded it, but yeah, I think I will record the next episode around like 1 month from now. Okay, bye.